Hi, I'm Alice. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where tiny Korean phrases get you moving.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 같이 해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 길 안내에서 바로 쓰는 짧은 표현을 배워봅시다.
Here's my real problem. If someone asks where the bus stop is, I freeze. Do I need a full sentence like, it is over there?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, short pointing phrases are very natural, especially with a gesture.
You can say 이쪽이요, 저쪽이요, or 바로 앞이요. They sound simple, polite, and useful.
So I don't have to build a whole sentence every time. I can point and say, 이쪽이요.
맞아요. Today's pattern is location word plus 이요. It turns a small location word into a polite answer.
이요 is like a soft, polite ending here. It is not a full sentence, but it works as a polite response.
First one. 이쪽이요. In English, this means this way or this side.
이쪽 means this side or this direction, close to the speaker. 이쪽이요 sounds polite and quick.
Now listen. 저쪽이요. In English, that way or over there.
저쪽 means that side, farther from the speaker and listener. Use it when you point away.
Third one. 바로 앞이요. In English, right in front.
바로 means right, as in exactly. 앞 means front. So 바로 앞이요 means it is right in front.
Let me reason it out. 이쪽 is near this side. 저쪽 is that side farther away, and 바로 앞 is right in front.
완벽해요. And remember, these phrases often come with pointing, nodding, or looking in that direction.
In English, you may expect a subject and verb. In Korean directions, the situation can supply that missing part.
Let's make them sound natural. 이쪽이요. Keep it smooth. 이쪽이요.
이쪽이요.
좋아요. The 쪽 is a tight sound. Think of it as firm and short. 이쪽이요.
나우 저쪽이요. It has the same 쪽 sound, but starts with 저.
저쪽이요.
좋습니다. Now 바로 앞이요. Because 앞 ends with 비읍 sound, 앞이요 links smoothly. 앞이요.
바로 앞이요.
좋아요. The spelling is 앞이요, but the natural sound connects like 앞이요.
Now listen to a short real exchange. A person asks where the restroom is, and the answer is short.
화장실 어디예요?
저쪽이요.
저쪽이요?
네, 저쪽이요.
I noticed the check. 저쪽이요? You can repeat the direction as a question to confirm.
네, 저쪽이요.
맞아요. Rising intonation makes it a confirmation check. 저쪽이요? means that way.
And the answer can repeat the same phrase. 네, 저쪽이요. Yes, that way.
Another one. If the place is right in front, do not say a long sentence first. 바로 앞이요 is enough.
약국이 어디예요?
바로 앞이요.
아, 바로 앞이요.
네, 바로 앞이요.
My turn. If I'm guiding someone toward me or along my side, I say, 이쪽이요. 이쪽이요.
좋아요. If the direction is away from both of us, use 저쪽이요.
저쪽이요.
좋습니다. if it is directly in front, use 바로 앞이요.
바로 앞이요. Common mistake time. I want to say, 이쪽입니다. To sound polite. Is that better?
Good catch. 이쪽입니다 is grammatical, but for quick directions it can sound stiff or like an announcement.
For friendly everyday help, 이쪽이요 is usually better. It is polite, short, and natural.
Another mistake. Can I say, 여기요, for this way?
여기요 is natural when you mean here, like calling attention or saying it is here. But for this way, 이쪽이요 is better.
So if someone needs to walk in a direction, choose 쪽. 이쪽 or 저쪽?
Quick check. You are standing inside a station. You are standing inside a station. Someone asks, 출구가 어디예요? The exit is far down the hallway, away from you. What sounds most natural?
I'm choosing B. 저쪽이요, because it's away from me.
정답입니다. 이쪽이요 would mean this way, near your side. 바로 앞이요 would mean right in front.
One more check. You are holding the door open and guiding your friend to come through your side. Which one fits?
That should be A. 이쪽이요. It's toward my side.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 이쪽이요는 이쪽 방향이라는 뜻이에요. In English, use it for this way or this side.
둘째, 저쪽이요는 멀리 있는 방향을 가리켜요. In English it means that way or over there.
셋째, 바로 앞이요는 정말 앞에 있을 때 써요. In English, say right in front, not just over there.
넷째, 길 안내에서는 짧은 말과 제스처가 자연스러워요. In English, a short phrase plus a point is enough.
Today's keeper for me is 저쪽이요 as a confirmation check. That way, simple and useful.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 저쪽이요? That way, it helps you confirm before you walk.
다음에는 얼마나 걸려요? How long does it take를 배워요. 길 안내가 더 편해질 거예요.
Thanks for climbing with us. Point, confirm, and keep it short. See you on the next rung.